Alright, I'm like selfieing it over here. I didn't bring a tripod with me or anything. And sorry if you can't hear me. But I wasn't planning on filming today until I had the thought that maybe that'd be a fun video to throw on. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I go hiking, one of my favorite things is to hike like through water, through creek beds, just in and around the water, you know, dip in for a swim, stuff like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like trails, I like going through thick woods and stuff like that too, but man, my favorite thing to do is just get out here and just, I don't know, tromp through water and over rocks. It's really fun. It reminds me of when I was a kid. I used to play in my family's creek all the time, and I'd just be, you know, climbing around rocks, just jumping in the water, all kinds of stuff. So I don't know. Where do you guys like to hike? Do you like hiking like mountains or through like the desert? I would love to try to hike through a desert one day. We just don't have any around here, but I think it'd be cool to see. But yeah, what do you like hiking? Personally, like I said, I love hiking through water. I love anywhere that I can find a waterfall to climb around on. But yeah, sorry, I'm not good at vlogging. Never have been. This is why I don't have a lot of vlogs. But I don't know. I just thought it'd be fun to kind of show off this place because it really is a beautiful area. It's kind of like Jurassic Park out here is what I always like to call this place. Jurassic World. It's beautiful. Let me get over here on this rock so you can see. And I'll film the waterfall here in a minute too. Like I said, it's beautiful out here. I love the mountains. We're kind of in a bend down in a little gully almost. Anywho, just thought I'd show you. Since I don't really film much while I'm out hiking, I always forget.